Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online series in Future Executive School. Salam Ali. How are you, educational class? I hope you are learning well. This is your math class. Open your book page number 7. Today our lecture is about whole and half. A whole and half comparison shows the difference between something complete, whole, and something divided into two equal parts is half. Okay, you can see this is a circle. This is a circle. We can say this picture is whole. Whole. Okay, you can see this is a circle, but this circle is divided into two parts. Each part is called a half. Is called a half. You can see the orange part is half and the white part is half. The one circle is divided into two equal parts is called half. Okay, you can see these two shapes are whole. These two shapes are presenting whole shapes. Whole shapes. Okay, you can see half, half. Okay, this shape is divided into two equal parts. So, yellow part is half and green part is also half. Like you can see, next shape is whole, but we divide into two equal parts like blue is half and orange is half. Alice's friend bought some snacks to eat and drink before riding the roller coaster, but Ellie wants to share. Okay, match the whole and half snacks. एलिस फ्रेंड एली के फ्रेंड सम बॉट सम स्नैक्स उन्होंने कुछ स्नैक्स खरीदे टू ईट एंड ड्रिंक खाने और पीने के लिए बिफोर राइडिंग द रोलर कोस्टर मतलब कि रोलर कोस्टर पे उन्होंने कहीं जाना होगा कोई पिकनिक होगी उन्होंने उसके लिए स्नैक्स खरीदे बट एली वांट्स टू शेयर एली चाहते हैं कि वो मुझसे शेयर किए जाएं ओके सो वी कैन मैच whole pictures with half whole with half item. You can see what is this? This is whole burger and whole donut. Then cake, whole cake, whole cake. Next is pizza, yummy pizza, whole pizza. Okay, next, what is this? This is half cake, half burger, half pizza, and half donut. So we can match whole burger with half burger, whole burger with half burger by drawing a line. Whole burger match with half burger. Okay, the next is we have donut, whole donut match with half donut like that. Okay, we have cake, whole cake match with half cake. Okay, next pizza. Last one is pizza. Whole pizza match with half pizza. Whole and half. This is a circle. This is a circle. This circle is divided into two parts. Each part is called a half. Each part is called a half. One circle is divided into two equal parts is called each part is called half. Okay. Ellie's friend bought some snacks to eat and drink before riding the roller coaster, but Ellie wants to share. Okay, now match the whole and half snacks. We have whole burger. We can match with half burger. Now we have whole donut. Match with half donut. We have whole cake. Match with half cake. Okay, we have whole pizza. Match with half pizza. I hope you will understand my words. Okay, we meet again with new lecture, with new topics. Now we have complete our activity. Now place your sticker here. Like place your sticker here. Well done. You have a great job. Okay, see you again. Allah Hafiz.